We are going to add branches to a single line drain pipe. Pull out the single line drain toolbar. For this connection, use the vertical command, then choose a network specification and a pipe size. Then choose a symbol, here it is selected by default. Now choose the appropriate flow direction arrow and click topside to connect on the top of the network. For the next branch, use the routing command. Select the network specification and the pipe size, and then right-click to choose a type of connection. Now select the pipe to connect to and click to indicate the direction of the chamfer. Right-click and choose upwards symbol and position the arrow by typing the angle or by using the mouse.